Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Trent Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on Trent with a revised price target of Rs 2025. Consistent double-digit same-store sales growth that beats peer and well-defined store expansion strategy provides stable earnings visibility. In our retail universe, Trent registered consistent strong performance for the past 3 years, with revenues and PAT clocking CAGRs of 34% and 53% respectively, backed by strong store expansion and consistent double-digit SSG growth. With working capital cycle shrinking and capex allocation turning efficient, free cash flow stood at Rs 450 crore in FY23. OCF to EBITDA improved to 59% in FY23 from 39% in FY20. Return profile improved with ROE and ROC increasing to 19.1% and 14.5% in FY23 as against 7.4% and 3.8% in FY20. As Westside brand performance improved. Stock trades at 32.2 times FY24 EV by EBITDA and 26.2 times FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next on radar is Bharat Electronics. Our analyst reiterates buy on BEL as it has achieved 30% of its Rs 20,000 crore annual order inflow guidance in Q1 of FY24 so far, and the future order pipeline is quite robust. BEL would be spending Rs 700 to 800 crore in strengthening its capability to efficiently execute its order backlog of Rs 60,690 crores. The company has guided for revenue growth of 17% in FY24 and expect operating profit margin to be 21 to 23% for FY24. BEL has a healthy cash balance of Rs 8,000 crore. We build in revenue and PAT CAGR of 16% each over FY23 to FY25 estimated earnings. BEL currently trades at 22 times FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.